Hi everyone, welcome to another art journaling project. And today's project is journaling for beginner. This is my third page in my second journal, which I'm doing this year, which is all about using basic supplies. So I first start off with my right page where I selected Craftangle's chalk paint as my coloring medium for this particular page. The color that I'm using is moss green, and I'm just kind of creating a pattern over here using some brush strokes. So I really like how beautifully the brush strokes will come out once it dries. And that was the kind of effect that I was going for. Once the paint is dry, I simply take my these basic stencils that I got from stationery stores, and with a pen, I'm just doing some doodling. So there is no rhyme or reason here. You can do whatever doodling, your heart desires, what you're good at. I am really bad at doing drawing with freehand, and that is why I kind of use these stencils to create a geometric pattern. Whatever, I felt would go good with the photo that I was adding on the top as a focal point of my page. So that's it. I'm just building on that design, and then I'll do some freehand lettering. Now, as always with all my videos, whatever products I talk about, except these basic supplies of stencils that I got from stationery stores, all will be linked below, including the diary, the paint, the stickers, etc. So, as with my previous videos, in case you have not looked at it, I will link below the playlist for you all where I have completed the first and the second page, and this is the third page of the same diary. My concept is to create a very different right page and left page. On the right page, I'm still using a little bit of basic supplies like different types of paints, these kind of doodling, etc. And on the left, I'm keeping it even beginner friendly where I'm adding a lot of stickers and making a page. So coming back to our right page, I stuck the image, which was the focal point, and now I will move on to adding sentiment for my page. So here I am showing you another journaling specific launch by Craftangles. These are transparent sticker sheets called Motivational Codes. Now you get two sheets with the same codes, and if you remove the backing, you will see that they are transparent. So what I do is I select the one which makes sense for my page, and then just to kind of tie in the coat with the design, I have created that strip of paint at the top using the same moss green paint. And then I have removed the backing of the sticker sentiment code that I want to put. And you can see how it looks. It is transparent in nature. And once applies, it takes whatever background is there in the back of your page. Again, a very amazing and must have product if you are into mixed media or if you are into motivational card making or art journaling, like how I am doing. Now, just to tie in the top part with the bottom part, I'm going back and doing some similar doodling. So I'm using the same stencils and doing, some random designing here and there. And that will complete my page. A very simple page. I did not do a lot of things, and very flat page as well, which is perfect for beginners. Now moving on to the left page, which is more about stickers and even more beginner friendly. I start off with some sticker rules. So the first one that I applied was Old Script by Craft Angles. So these are the newly launched sticker rules where you get 5 rolls in one pack, and each roll measures 2.25 inches by 18 inches, and they are of similar designs. So the ones that I'm using over here are Old Script, Pretty Plaid, Ruler Print, so those and vintage ticket. So those are the 4 designs that I'll be using. And then apart from that, I'm using these small rectangles, which are 4 by 6 sticker packs for journaling, specifically released by Craft Angles and proudly made in India. So those I'm using in brown colors just to add some color contrast here and there. And the designs that I'm using over here are vintage patterns and traveler, which will be the focal point of my page. Again, whatever products I'm talking about will all be linked below. So you can definitely check the description of the video in case you are curious as to what these supplies are. Now, once I'm happy with how the pattern looks, just to kind of ground my main focal point, which is this sticker of C, I added that small strip in the contrasting color. And I'm now happy with how my page looks. And I'm taking the same sticker sheet from the right page, and I'm selecting one quote which was collect beautiful moments, and I'm kind of cutting it out. And then I will cut out all the three words, which is collect, beautiful, and moments, and I will separately stick them on top of the page, creating a pattern in itself like so. So that was the journaling. And just to finish the left side of the page, I am taking some craft angles watercolor pan. The color that I'm using is yellow quartz, just to tie in that little bit of yellow that we have used on the page, and I'm adding some yellow splatters. So those were the two pages of my journal. I hope you enjoyed both the pages. Both of them are very different as with the concept of my this journal. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care, guys. Bye bye.